Alright, so as you can see, we built a Lego Technic drift car. And you could probably see in those other videos, it didn't go too well. These wheels kept flying off, and then it did wheelies and stuff. So we tried to fix these problems, so we put smaller wheels on the front, and the back we put tighter steering, and I put these braces on the outside so that the wheels won't bend on an angle like this, which is what kept rocking them out to the side and making them shoot off. So hopefully this fixes the problems, and we'll see in a little bit.
Well,
here's what happened to our gears during those two videos.